1964 El Camino 283. Had the original clutch on it. Bought a new throwout bearing on rockauto. And this one said 3-speed. But it ends up it's too long. And I look back on rockauto and there's one for a 3-hole clutch fork, and it comes to about right here. So I need a shorter one. After I got it put together, the clutch wouldn't move. It was jammed too tight. So now I'm gonna order the other one, and I think that's what the problem was. But I had a piece of wood down there with a big bar trying to move this to see if the transmission's working, and it's not working. But this is the original clutch fork that came with it. It sits right there. But I just think this throwout bearing's too long after I talked to the guy I bought the engine from. So it's a novice mistake. Had it running yesterday. Now I took it back apart till I get the right throwout bearing. "1964, wrong throwout bearing."